For the next exercise, we are going to answer these questions. Trouvez les réponses, but we are not going to answer it as it is. We are going to answer using the pronoun. So the first question, vous faites les exercices. So now, what is the word we are going to replace? Les exercices, that is the noun, and it is third person, it is in the plural form, right? Les exercices, it is in the plural form, it is the direct complement. So vous, right? Now this is third person, this is plural, so les, vous, les. So now we are answering a question, right? So when you answer a question, vous becomes je, les, and we need to conjugate this, right? For je, it is fait. Je l'ai fait. Very simple, right? The answer is very simple. Vous becomes je, fait becomes fait, and les exercices is replaced with les. The next question, vous faites la stage. Vous faites la stage. Now again vous becomes je. What is the word you are going to replace? Le stage. So je, le stage is singular, masculine. So, le, fait becomes fait. Je le fais. Je le fais. Vous becomes je. Fait becomes fait. And le stage is replaced with le. Next one. Tu prends l'inscription. Tu prends l'inscription. Again, tu becomes je. Now, we are going to replace the noun l'inscription. Is it a direct or an indirect complement? It is a direct complement. So, je le prends. Je le prends. The next one, elle a les horaires. Elle a les horaires. So, elle remains L. Now we are going to replace les horaires. Is it a direct or an indirect complement? It is a direct complement. So it is replaced by les a. Elle les a. The next sentence, vous connaissez les animatrices. Vous connaissez les animatrices. Now vous becomes je. Vous becomes je. Then the word we are going to replace is les animatrices. Is it a direct or an indirect complement? It is direct, there is no preposition. So we replace this with les because it is plural. Je les. And connaissez, we have to conjugate it for je. Je les connais. Now, here we didn't need conjugate because it is third person. We are not changing the pronoun sujet, right? So here, since we are changing the pronoun sujet from vous to je, the conjugation will also change. Now the next one, il traduit les conférences. Il traduit des conférences. Now third person plural remains the same. We are going to replace les conférences. Now is it a direct or an indirect complement? It is a direct complement, plural. So les, il les traduit. So here also we didn't change the subject. The pronoun sujet is the same. So the conjugation is also the same. Ille, tradvi. Ille, tradvi. So, what we did in this exercise was, we saw the word that needs to be replaced, and then we determined whether it is direct or indirect complement and replaced it with the particular word.